So many desert plants. Your typical cactus. Then they're the ones that we call, they're sort of cacti, cactus too, but we call them tuna in Jamaica. They're the broadleaf one. And then there's cinco bible or aloe vera. An overcast day, so at least it's not too hot. Oh, prickly pear in person. So there are two types. There's this type that is red, and then another type, I guess that's green. And I don't know if they eat all of them. Look at that aloe. Ugh. All the things I could use it for. Is that agave? These cacti look so unreal. Like they're from a different time period. I'm going back to Walmart. I should have crossed the road on that side because I think the Walmart is on that side. Should I try a cactus spear? Oh Lord. What if I don't like it? Ooh. How do you know if it's ripe? Oh. It smells green. I had it in the sun. And it still look like in a ripe. It looks like one of the original bananas. When I say original, I mean the wild bananas before they were bred, full of seeds. But I don't know if it's ripened. I left it in the sun. Well, I'll see how it tastes. Okay, it's very good. What does it taste like? I don't know. I can't think of anything off the top of my head what taste reminds me of. I mean, if we could get them seedless, the seeds are, if you're not careful, you crack your teeth or you swallow them. But the flesh is soft, it's smooth, but not mushy soft. Has like a crispiness to it. And the taste is very mild. It's not overpowering. I like it. They call them, I think, tuna. Or I think it's just a prickly pear. The green one though, not the peachish, reddish, orangish one. Yum. Actually, there might be a genetic component or genetics at play. However, it has this raw, I don't know how to describe it, but if you're Jamaican, you know what raw, like when you say something smell raw, like when you're like, oh yeah, they didn't wash your chicken or whatever, and like there's this rawness, I don't know, or I don't know, but yeah, to me, it has this raw aftertaste and smell. I think it's more aftertaste though, and I experience it when I eat pear, so not avocado like the pear we have in Jamaica, but the other one that's have a crispiness like an apple and not creamy like avocado and guacamole. Maybe it's a genetic based stuff because I asked someone else and they said they didn't have any aftertaste after eating the pear, but I'm having it with the prickly fruit, prickly cactus or whatever it's called. It's very quiet. It's 6:10. It's so steep. Still have a long way to go. Lots of stray dogs that keep barking. I like the architecture here. Oh, there's an iglesia of God, Church of God. Oh, but it's so hot to do anything. I don't like the heat. Yes, but I came to escape the cold months ahead. Pre-game. Is that lightning over there? It went away. There was light flashing in the sky. Oh, do you see it? I'm coming from all the way up there and then down there. The roads are either these big slabs of concrete or this dusty, sandy material, which is probably the soil, the kind of soil that is in this part of Mexico, Baja California. See, this is the sandy material. A moth. So another thing that's deterring me from going for a walk is the lack of sidewalks, like on the main road, and it's scary. Oh, this is a place I should come and check out before I leave. But look how far me I come from. You go jaywalk? No. But yeah, like I'm sweat. Okay, fine. It's 30 degrees Celsius, so yes, it's hot. Ah! These bananas are sexy, but I'm a split open. Okay, I'll have to eat this one tonight. Use a popcorn option in the microwave, and look at that. What a waste. Now it smells like popcorn, burnt popcorn. I had to open the sliding door because now it smells like burnt shit in here. Pardon my language. So many butterflies. I wish I could get a plant of the aloe. The leaves are big. I don't know if that's agave or just a regular cactus. But to do my hair, and butterflies, could be a moth. It is so hot. Oh, look at that giant cactus.